Hello, welcome back YouTube. Welcome back family. I just want to thank you all for watching these videos and supporting us throughout this process. Today I wanted to bring to you guys a very important topic, which is, what is credit repair. I want to take a moment to talk to you guys about the process, some pros of credit repair, some cons, giving you guys the opportunity to figure out whether or not credit repair or different credit services are of benefit to you, and whether or not you actually need credit repair, and kind of talk to you guys about it and what it is and what we're doing over at 321 Credit Repairs. So here, what is credit repair? Credit repair is the process of removing derogatory marks off of your credit report. So what are derogatory marks? A derogatory mark is anything that is derogatory or negative on your credit report. So that would be any charge-offs, any collections accounts, any hard inquiries, anything that's on your credit report that could potentially be bringing down your score, is what we're going to call a derogatory mark. Public records, anything to that nature. And if you look into credit repair and the laws behind credit repair, the reality is credit repair is the process of getting these marks off, and most importantly, you're getting off things specifically that were not done by you. For the most part is what you're looking at. You're looking at, we're going to dispute these different items and try to get them removed. However, certain things in the credit repair process may not be able to be removed. That is just a part of the process. However, you're still able to see a great increase in your credit score and a great increase in your approval rates and odds with being able to remove some of those negatives off of your report. In addition to being able to remove those negatives off your report just to see your scores and your approval odds, some of those negatives you may find out were actually not legally your debt, or may have been presented to the credit bureau in a way that is not necessarily appropriate to actually put it on your report. So then we may be able to get them removed for reasons like that. So even though it is your debt, it does not mean that it cannot get removed. It just depends on a case-by-case basis, and it's very situational. But specifically, let's kind of get into the pros and cons of credit repair. The biggest pro is that you're going to be able to get that higher score, which will give you better access to more credit products. Someone with a 600 score is going to be able to get more approvals than someone with a low 500. A 650 score is going to get more approvals than a 600. And a 700 score is going to get more or have more opportunities, than those lower scores. However, this is again situational and case by case. There are people with lower scores who may get approved for certain things that people with higher scores don't. But that's where the credit consulting comes in, and being able to guide you towards the proper credit products to work with. But then let's get into some of the cons of credit repair. If you don't know what you're doing, you're new to credit repair. Credit repair can be extremely time consuming. There are a lot of hidden secrets or little tricks of the trade that you may not know. You don't want to waste your money and your time dealing with someone who's going to lie to you, overcharge for a service, or do things that are illegal in order to get things removed off your report. And last but not least, if you try to do your credit repair yourself, or even if you hire certain companies, if they are not going about it in the appropriate and legal manner, this can put a fraud alert on your credit, and that fraud alert on your credit could lead you to worse situations, whether it be considered a criminal issue. In addition to, it could just lead you to instant denial for credit products, which is another thing that you do not want to have happen to you. I've seen it happen. It is definitely out there and definitely something that could harm your overall credit reputation even worse than a collection. With that being said, I want to thank you all for watching. Thank you all for being a part of the family, and I will see you all in the next video.